Assalamu alaikum students. So class 8, we are discussing unit number 1, operations on sets, and this is our session number 5. We have discussed what is Venn diagram and how we draw it. Now today's topic is shading Venn diagram's region. Here is given one Venn diagram and its set notation is A. It means that you are going to shade the region of A. This circle is for region A. So shade this area. Yes. Shading the whole set A. Now we see the next one. Opposite of A. And you know that opposite of A means that A complement, not A. So we are going to shade outside A. And circle B means set B is also not the part of A, and we are not considering this part because we are considering just the set not of A. So shade the area what is not included in A. Next Venn diagram. Next is A union B. Now you are going to shade whole area of A and B. Union means united area, combined area. This is A and this is B. So shade whole area of A and B. What is inside A and B? Next one. Opposite of A union B. And you know that opposite of A union B means whole complement of A union B. So now you are going to shade the area outside the A union B. This is outside area. You can draw the lines, also you can shade it. The next one. Next Venn diagram and its set notation is A intersection B. It means that what they share the area, both sets A and B. And this is the shared area where they overlapped each other. So shade this area. Now next one, opposite of A intersection B. This is whole complement of A intersection B. It means that now you are going to shade the area what is opposite of this. The overlapping area, this is A intersection B. And its complement means that not A intersection B. So shade the area but is not shared. Now the next Venn diagram. Next is A union B whole complement. Now this is somehow difficult. So divide this in two parts. You can see this sketch in two sketches. First, we draw the Venn diagram for set A. Then for B complement, union means combine them. So we combine these two areas and shade this real figure. So first, shade the area of A. This is set A. So shade this area. next is B complement, not B. It means that this set is B, so outside is this, not B. Shade whole the area which is not included in set B. Now students, combine these two areas, or you can see that overlap these two diagrams in your vision and combine it and draw this figure A union B. You can see that A is covered with these lines, also the intersecting area and the whole outside area of A and B. The set B is not included in this shade. एक सेकंड हाँ. Outside of A and B is union area of both sets. So this is the A union B complement. And you can observe that this area of set B is not included in both sets, in both previous sketches. The next one is A complement intersection B complement. So this is complicated. So divide this Venn diagram in two sketches. Sometimes it is easier to divide the sketches. The first one A complement, the next one B complement. So in the first Venn diagram we draw not A. It means that this is set A. Not A means that all the elements which are not the elements of set A. So outside A. So draw the lines outside the set A. In next sketch, B complement. It means that not B, all the elements which are not inside this circle. So draw the lines outside the set B. Now A complement intersection B complement means that we are going to share the areas of these two sketches, what they share, and you can observe they share only the outside area of A and B sets. So we draw lines outside the set A and B. This is A complement intersection B complement. Next one, A complement union B complement. We divide this Venn diagram in also in two sketches and observe the previous one. The first one A complement, the next B complement. Now union means that everything what is in A complement and B complement. So the outside area is common. Draw the lines outside the set A and B. Also set A and B, but you can observe that the intersecting area of both A and B, that is overlapped area, this is not shaded in both figures. So we are not going to shade in A complement union B complement. Except this area, shade whole the area. This is A complement union B complement.